Maximize your kitchen storage efficiency with the Jsskeeim Hanging Basket Trio. A versatile 3-pack set designed to utilize dead space under your cabinets. These organizers feature unique 360-degree rotating hooks that allow for easy access and flexible positioning, ensuring that your pantry essentials or kitchen gadgets are always within reach. The clean white finish blends seamlessly into any decor, while the sturdy construction supports your items without sagging or shifting. Designed with convenience in mind, the Jsskeeim Hanging Basket Trio offers a clever foldable design that collapses flat when not in use, making it an ideal choice for apartments or homes with limited storage area. These baskets are perfect for maximizing vertical space in your pantry, allowing you to neatly arrange snacks, spices, or small tools that often clutter your shelves. The straightforward installation means you can upgrade your organization system in seconds without the need for tools or complex hardware. When you invest in the Jsskeeim Hanging Basket Trio, you are choosing a durable and reliable solution to keep your living space orderly and clutter-free. Each basket is engineered to withstand daily wear while maintaining its structural integrity, providing you with long-term value and peace of mind. Experience a more organized and accessible kitchen environment by incorporating these smart storage solutions into your daily routine. Pros: maximizes vertical storage space, features 360-degree rotating hooks, foldable for compact storage, durable reinforced steel wire, supports up to 20 pounds, easy to clean design, includes 3 baskets, versatile multi-scene usage, creates instant storage tiers, open design for visibility. Cons: hooks require specific diameter, includes baskets only, requires wire shelving features. 3-pack set 360-degree rotating hooks, space-saving design, pantry shelf organizer, foldable storage solution, white finish, kitchen organization tool. Maximize your kitchen storage efficiency with the Jsskeeim Hanging Basket Trio. A versatile 3-pack set designed to utilize dead space under your cabinets. These organizers feature unique 360-degree rotating hooks that allow for easy access and flexible positioning, ensuring that your pantry essentials or kitchen gadgets are always within reach. The clean white finish blends seamlessly into any decor, while the sturdy construction supports your items without sagging or shifting. The Jsskeeim 3-pack under-shelf hanging baskets effectively maximize vertical storage by providing durable, reinforced steel wire tiers that support up to 20 pounds while featuring convenient 360-degree rotating hooks, a foldable design for compact storage, and an easy-to-clean, open structure for better visibility. However, potential users should be aware that these baskets are designed exclusively for wire shelving and require hooks with a specific diameter, and the package includes only the baskets themselves without additional mounting hardware.